Hello, in this series I will be looking at how you can add minor details to your sculpts quickly and easily using texture brushes. The first video looks at where you can find good textures, the second will look at how you can add these textures, and the third will tell you how you can create your own textures and brushes. You can find this course and other free courses like it on gabbit.co.uk, and do ask any questions in the comments below and I will get back to you. Alternatively, you can go to the Discord server and ask questions there, or just chat and maybe join in some of the competitions. All the links for the brushes, my website and the Discord server are in the description. If I find any new links that are useful, I'll put them in the description as well, and I'll try and keep this as up to date as possible. So in order to make brushes which add details quickly and easily, we need black and white textures, which are usually called alphas or masks, and then we can add these to our brushes. These are made up of black and white images that tell the 3D program which parts to push forward, which is white, and which parts, in the case of sculpting, to leave alone, and that's the blacks. And the amount of white you have in your image will determine the distance that it pushes the mesh outwards. We can then place these textures onto a brush and it creates these beautiful details instantly. So the first site that I'll show you is Texturescalm. Now on the front page they actually have sculpting brushes here, and what you're looking for is the alpha image, so the black and white image. So if I click on one of these and scroll down, there's the alpha image for us. Most of the brushes cost 5 credits and you get 15 free credits each day. Although this isn't super high resolution, this is absolutely fine as long as you're not making a huge area of your sculpt with this brush. So this will work fine for getting close in and smaller details. These are excellent brushes. They've been scanned in and modified slightly in order to create these wonderful textures. Texturescalm is a great site and well laid out, so you can find these things very quickly and easily. Another good site which has some good textures is Pixologic, and under the alphas section you can see all their categories for different brushes and you can download them. These textures work very well depending on what you're using them for, and some work better than others, but you'll find that out as you go along. Here's another good site called BadKingcom, and if you go under products and alpha maps, you can find all the alphas within there, and you can go in and download the images. You do have to sign up. They've got lots of free brushes and they ask for a donation. Now the last two that I'm going to show you are just packs, and you can download all the textures in one go. And this is from asylefx.net, and the download is just there, and you can see the brushes that are being downloaded. Not quite as good as Texturescalm or Pixologic, but still some useful materials to add variety to your sculpts. And the last one I'm going to show you is a hard surface modeling pack, and this was actually in a forum, so 3D Total forums, but it's a very good pack, and if you scroll down you can see the quality of the textures and the alphas. Now this link doesn't work, but if you scroll down a bit further you've got the MediaFire links which do work, and you want the alphas only. The brushes are for ZBrush, so if you've got that program you can use them there, but they won't work on other programs. So you can imagine downloading a pack is much easier than going to each individual texture, and a lot of the time it's just easier to buy a whole pack. I recently spoke to Johnathan Mueller, who's created a pack, and he's kindly offered a discount, which you can see in the links below, for his pack that he's put on Gumroad. He's got 148 alpha map textures, and you can see some of them here. I like these mech pieces, for example. And it is a sci-fi pack, so if you're into that sort of thing, there's some great textures here. And you can see what a great effect they have and how good and useful they can be. Another place I've seen some texture packs that you can download is Jonas Roscinas' site on ArtStation, and he's got 4 very useful packs there which you can buy to download. So there's 5 free sites and 2 paid for where you can find some textures to put on your brushes. Thanks for watching and I hope this helps.